Alright, now we have some fried chicken. Now, I usually don't like fried food because it's floating with oil. Now, but this thing, it doesn't look like that at all. As you can see, we have fried chicken on cucumber base and some vegetables. And you can see that there is not, first of all, it's not soaked with oil. That's good for me. I don't like food that is too much of oil. And let me try this one. So this dish is just cucumber with ginger. Ginger, as you know, is very good for you. Again, this is exactly the right taste. It has a very crispy flavor. It's very crispy. The skin is very crispy. The meat itself. Sorry, this is so good. The meat is very tender. Very good flavor. You can also try the vegetables. This is delicious. So, traditional Chinese food is not necessarily full of oil. It's not necessarily bad for you. This one is really good. You should try it out.